Story 10. A grain dealer to whom Sufis were owing some money asked them for it every day in the town of Waset and used harsh language towards them. The companions had become weary of his reproaches, but had no other remedy than to bear them. And one of them, who was a pious man, remarked, "It is more easy to pacify a hungry stomach with promises of food than a grain dealer with promises of money. It is preferable to be without the bounty of a gentleman than to bear the insults of the gatekeepers. It is better to die wishing for meat than to endure the expostulations of butchers." And there's something to that too. It's better to have something in a good context than not have it at all. And in general, that's true. But of course, there's exceptions. This is not exactly the same